Hello binary option traders, welcome to my channel once again. In this video, I'll show you how to trade with support and resistance areas on IQ option platform. So we have a minor level of support and resistance at this point. And the market has been ranging in this area for quite some time. But we are forming higher highs as we move up. So if you can close above this candle, you can take our trade. And you have a level at that point. So most likely this candle will break the level. So here I'll do a call option, because this is a bias candle making a high at this point. So you expect the bias to move more up. I need a rejection. Not strong rejection, so I'll wait. So here we are still in our range. Let's check on this pair. We have a very good trend line at that point. So that's our trend line. We are coming to our trend line. So not a good market at this time. Again, buyers have entered. So if you close bullish, I'll do a call option on the next candle if I get a good entry point. Here I can see this horizontal level of support and resistance. So if you can break below that minor level of support and resistance, that's when I can at least try and find some opportunities to trade. So strong bullish candle. We expect the market to break this level now. Here I'll wait. So we are in a downtrend. We got rejection from our trend line. That's why you can see strong sellers movement. After this strong bullish breakout, I expected the market to break this level. But it seems again the sellers have entered the market. So I'll go with the buyers again. This is more for a retracement candle. Strong rejection, so I expect us to move more down. So I'll explain my trades. On this trade, I've done a put option because, as I've told you, we had a downward trend line at this point. The market is moving in between these trend lines, these two trend lines. On the previous candle that touched the trend line, got a very strong rejection. After that rejection, we got seller's entry. There's a weak candle. Again, we followed by a strong sellers candle, making a lower low than the previous lows. So this shows you that the sellers will try and move more down. So I anticipated that movement and I did a put option after seeing a rejection from the live candle. So that's the reason behind that trade. On this other trade, I expected the buyers to move more up after breaking this level of support and resistance. You can see we had a very slight breakout of the level and with a strong bullish candle, and the market was making higher highs. As you can see, it was making higher highs. So I expected the market to break this area after this strong bullish breakout candle, but instead we got a retracement candle. That's why we lost this trade. So as I told you earlier, I expected a breakout of this level. So after this retracement candle, I did a call option immediately, because now after the retracement, we expect the buyers to continue, because the buyers were still in this bullish candle are not yet over. So they cannot be stopped with this bearish candle. So that's why I did a call option on this next trade. On this other trade, I did a call option because this is a support and resistance area. From this area, you can see when the market comes at this level, you get a rejection. And previously when we broke the level, again we got a rejection in that bullish candle. So after the market again retraced to the same area, we got a bullish candle with making a higher high at this point. So I expected the next candle to be bullish. That's why I did a call option on the next trade. So strong bias movement in that trade. So finally the bias moved more higher after this retracement candle. So it's now an uptrend from this point. And here finally we broke the trend line. So it'll be moving more up to this next level of support and resistance. So I think I'll stop trading from here. Keep watching the other videos in this channel to understand more about this strategy of support and resistance. Comment, like, and share the videos, and subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed to the channel. And if you want to join our training program, you can contact me directly through the link in the description below. Stay safe and bye bye.